Claude turned the LaCroix water website into this commercial. No camera, no traditional video editor, no HeyGen, no 11 Labs, and nothing beyond the Claude plan I already have. I started with the LaCroix website and one instruction: create a product commercial from LaCroixwater.com using hyperframes. But the first completed build was almost entirely white. The product footage had disappeared, and when Claude restored it, the footage covered the text, and one animation made the final slogan look misspelled. Claude diagnosed and repaired those problems inside the project, and here is the full 30-second commercial.
Pineapple, coconut, and absolutely nothing else. New pineapple coconut, 2 flavors harmoniously combined. 0 calories, 0 sweetener, 0 sodium. Berry lime, sunshine, find the one that's yours. LaCroix, find your fizz.
That was the final result, but here's what Claude started with. You've got one website, a logo, some product footage, a collection of cans, and the existing LaCroix brand. And my instruction was create a product commercial from LaCroixwater.com using hyperframes. But you can see I didn't give Claude a storyboard, I didn't describe scenes, and I didn't tell it how the finished commercial should look. I wanted to see whether Claude could make the creative decisions too. The first decision was to avoid opening on the product, and Claude started with pineapple and coconut. It just used the flavor before revealing the can. Then it used the product footage from the website to create the reveal. And not as a website recording, not as a slideshow, but as an actual commercial scene. Next, it turned the product information into a 3-0 sequence. And you can see that in the table here under frames. So we have 0 calories, 0 sweetener, and 0 sodium. And that information already existed on the website. But Claude decided to present that visually. Then it widened the story from one new flavor to the complete product range. And it finally ended on LaCroix's own brand language, find your fizz. This is what impressed me. Claude didn't merely animate the website. It found the raw ingredients and turned them into a 30-second story. We've got fruit, product, benefits, range, brand, and even the headline. And inside Hyperframes Studio, it also generated the narration and music using Google AI Studio. Then it timed the 5 scenes around the voice and landed the commercial at exactly 30 seconds. But it wasn't completely hands-off. Claude proposed a direction, I approved the new flavor concept, I chose the 30-second time limit, and when the first font didn't feel like LaCroix, I rejected it. Nothing was technically wrong with that version, but I thought it looked generic. Claude returned to the LaCroix website, and it studied the typography and selected a closer, freely licensed alternative. That was a division of labor throughout the project. Claude handled the production, I handled the judgment, and this is the part I want you to look at. On the left-hand side, you've got the actual commercial, and on the right-hand side is the LaCroix video that I started with. And I never once opened a traditional video editor. I didn't manually edit the scenes, I didn't arrange the clips on a timeline, and other than the Claude subscription that I already had, I didn't pay for another creative service. So can Claude turn a website into a complete product commercial? Yes, it can. Can it give you one prompt, disappear, and expect the perfect creative decision every time? Not yet. But the amount of production it can now handle is much greater than I expected. And this was a 30-second commercial built from one website. A harder test will be, can Claude take a complete YouTube script and turn that into a finished faceless video? And that's probably going to be a future test. So watch this space for that. And thank you so much if you made it this far. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Watch the next one on screen, and I'll see you next time.